All right, so I'm out here with Fiona. We're doing some e-collar training. There might be a little bit of a thing with the light here. I got a lot of light behind me. Fiona, let's go. Eh. And I just got to work on her reactivity. I'm not sure I'll be able to see it, but there's a dog behind that fence, and there's dogs over here. And Fiona just reacted to one of the dogs in the backyard named Echo, and I was able to just punish it with the e-collar. Good girl, let's go. And she did not have e-collar training prior to this stay with us, but she's been taken to it well. Fiona! 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 Look. Get the ball. Good girl, Fiona. Get it, get it, get it. Haha, she lost interest once it was under the chair. She's like, I don't care about that. Ooh, ooh. Fiona, go get it. Get it. Come on, girl. Good girl. Good girl. Fiona. Ooh, Fiona. Oh, go get it. Good girl, get it. You can get it. Oh, it's too big for your mouth. I see. Let's see if she can pick the foam one up. Fiona. Go get it. See if that one's, oh, too big for your mouth? All right, I'll be right back. I'm gonna let her wander around. I'm gonna see if I can find a smaller ball. Fiona, go over there. See what I got.
Yeah, I mean, like,
If not a smaller ball, maybe something else she can pick up and hold and run around with. There was a ball in here that she liked in our little training area inside. Not sure where it is, but maybe she'll like this Frisbee. Let's see. Fiona. Ooh, Fiona. Ooh, Fiona. Go get it. Get the Frisbee. Come on, Fiona. Good girl. Fiona. Yeah, that's good. There you go. Good job, girlie. Good girlie. Get that. Get that Frisbee. There we go. Yeah, we got something you can hold. Ha ha. Come here, girl. Give that to me. Oh, yeah. Got it. Ooh. Oh, she's strong. Oof. Good girl, Fiona. Ooh. Oh, she's too strong. She won. Playing tug with a Frisbee, huh? Hee hee. Good girl. Yeah, this bodes well for today's training session. She's nice and ramped up, enjoying herself. There we go. Definitely enjoying the Frisbee. I don't know how this is going to come out with the light. Let me check in. See if there's another angle I can move it to. I have to make sure it gets edited where it's going to keep the right angle. Let's see. That's probably going to be better because that sun was killer. It was shining right into the camera. Fiona, where'd you put your Frisbee? Where'd you put that Frisbee? There it is. Fiona. Good girl, get it. Kill it. Come on, girl. Get it. She's vicious creature. Oh, too strong. Oh, she won. Good girl, Fiona. Good girl. You guys hear that? Oh, vicious. Oh, you lost it. Don't let go because I touch you. Oh. Yeah. Oh, too strong. Good girl, Fiona. Good girl. Out. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Go get it. Good job. Come here, girl. Come here. Fiona, come on. Oh. Fiona, place. So the real advantage of training with play is that you can get them super ramped up, right? There's other dogs around barking. There's a dog right there where she can actually go to the fence and interact with the dog. You get them all ramped up, they're playing. You heard how ramped up she was. She was just yanking on the tug. And then, you put them on place. Place. Or you ask them to sit, or you ask them to down, or to heel, or to do some other command. And then you're not doing it when they're calm, you're doing it when they're amped, right? So you strengthen the conditioned punisher, which in her case is right? And then you also make it such that they can go from up here to, they can bring it back down on command. So I'm gonna go sit because I want to give her a little bit of time to stay on the place cot here. Do a little bit of duration. That should be about 2 minutes. Okay, come on, Fiona. Fiona, okay, come on. Good girl. Whoa. Arr. Get it. Yeah. I'm gonna come get it. I'm gonna come take it. Oh. Arr. Arr. Oh, she's starting to get less distracted when I touch her. Oh, she's starting to keep it. That's good. Oh, she didn't let go that time. Ah, she won. Oh, she fought me. She fought me hard for it. Woo! Oh yeah. Out. Okay. Oh, vicious. Ah, she won. Ah, too strong, mama. Too strong, baby. Good, too strong. Come here. You nasty little bugger. Oh, I love you. Oh, I love you. Cha 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 cha. Oh yeah. Cha 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 cha. A chug. She's a chug. A chihuahua pug. Get it. Get it. Get that thing. Give it to me. It's mine. It's mine. It's not yours. It's mine. Out. Sit. Sit. Okay. Oh. Oh, I got you. 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 Oh. Oh, yeah. That's good. Oh. That's good. You let go. Why'd you let go? Why'd you let go? Oh. Too strong. Too strong. Yeah. Come on. Out. Good. Down. Fiona, down. 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 So she got a little tap on the e-collar there because she didn't go into the down. She broke the down. So I'm going to leave her in the down for a second here. We're going to do a duration on the down, and I'm going to do some movement where I'm walking behind her, which is always hard for dogs. Down. Down. All the way. Down. 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 All the way. Good. Okay. Good girl. Come here. Cha. Good girl. Come here. Yeah. You're not getting tired, are you, Fiona? Better not be getting tired. Yeah, that's good. Fiona. Oh, you getting tired out? All right, we're gonna take a break. We're gonna take a break. Fiona, come here. Come on. Come on. Here. Easy. Easy. Good girl. Good girl. Look at that tongue. Look at that tongue. I love you, Mama. You're good. It's good. You guys want to see a sweet girl? You want to see a sweet girl? Look at this. You Fiona. Go, go, go. Good girl. Good girl. You're so smart. So smart. So beautiful. So beautiful. Fiona, come. Come. Good. Fiona, down. 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 Come on. All the way. Okay. Good girl. Come on. Yes. You did good. You did good. You shoot. Oh, the kickies. Oh, the kickies. Oh, you can't stand it. Oh, the kickies. Oh, the kickies. Look at that. Look at that leg a kicking. Good girl. Come here, Mama. Come here. Come here. We're gonna chill for a second. Oh, good girl. Hello. You wanna come up here? Come up here. Come here. Oh, there you go. There you go. You can sit up here with me. Good girlie. Good. That's a good girlie. I know. Yeah, leave my mic alone. You're gonna bite my mic. All the dogs wanna bite my microphone. Good girl. Kickies. Kickies. Good girl. Come here, let's go. Oh yeah, that's good. That's good. Look at all this. Look at all this. Look at all this Fiona hair. You guys see the Fiona hair? Jeez. Fiona, let's go. Come on. Fiona, down. 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 Okay. Good girl. Yeah. Ja, 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 ja. Good job. Come on. Good girl. Fiona, down. 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 All the way. Okay. Good girl. Yes. Yes. Fiona. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Yep, 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 yep. Yep, 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 yep. Yeah, 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 yeah. Come here, Fiona. Okay. 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 We're going to chill. We're going to chill. We got to let you reset. Reset the baseline. The e-collar pressure is still fairly new to her, so she's still learning about it, how to handle it. Good girl. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Your butt scratchies. That's the butt scratchies. That's the butt scratchies. Good girl. Oh yeah. That's good. Cha cha cha. See how long it's been. Sometimes a quick play is more useful than pushing it too long, and then they get in a funk. All right, I'm gonna try another down, see if she's figured out that she needs to go down right on cue. Fiona, come on. Good girl. Fiona, down. 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 Come on. Down. Down. All the way. Down. Down. Okay. Good girl. Yeah. That's a good girlie. Come here. Come here. Good job. Ooh. Yeah. Fiona, down. Down. No. No. Fiona, down. 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 Come on. Down. Okay. Good girl. Yeah. Good job. All right. So we're making some progress in this lesson. She's getting it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put her up for just a little bit, and then I'm going to take her out in a little bit, and we're going to do some more either out here, or very probably we're going to go to the park today and take a little walk. Make sure I stay in front of the sun here. We're going to go to the park and take another little walk today.